Hey guys, my name is Ajit and welcome to Step by Step Data Science tutorial. Today in this video we will continue discussing 11 different ways to handle duplication. In my last two videos we have covered cases from 1 to 6 and in today's video we will cover cases from 7 to 11, which is duplication based on first name, full name and phone number, email domain and email addresses before characters before at the rate and full name. So I will cover all this in detail. So let's get started. So let's start with seventh case, duplication based on full name and phone number. So this is the query that would give me the duplication based on phone name and full name, phone and full name. So if I run this query, and then if I check one sample cases, let's say this one, it's already there. So this would give me duplication based on phone and full name. So if we can see, full name is same, phone number is same, but the address and office name is different. Even their email address is different. So we cannot say, we can say because their phone number are same, but still this is a duplication cases because their addresses are different, their email address are also different. So we are not sure if this is one person or two person. So this is one another cases of duplication. So I will store this information in one temporary table and then finally insert that in a duplicate table. So I will insert this in this temp table first, and then I will insert everything in this duplicate table. So now if I check duplication based on the seventh cases, so let me convert this to varchar. Okay, this as okay. Now let's check this cases. So if we see this case duplicate key, their full name and their phone number is same. However, their address is different, office is one is null, company name is different. So we are not sure if this is one person or two person, even though their phone number and full name are same because their email address is also different. So this is a typical cases of duplication. So now we will go duplication based on full name. So this is also pretty much similar thing. I will not talk much about this because that's what we have been doing for so long. So again, I will insert this in temporary table. And this is my clean data. And then insert this gene. Okay, so if I see this case, then so their full name is different. However, we can full name is same. However, the email address one is null. One has address, one does not. So yeah, this is also a typical case of duplication on based on only full name. Now let's go and check duplication based on email domain. So what does email domain means is anything after at the rate character. So let's say this is my email address So this is my email address. So email domain would mean just simply gmail.com. How I got this information is, firstly I have used car index. What car index does is it gives me the position of at rate at position. So this is at eighth position, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and then from here to here I have extracted, I have just taken the length, and then this would be my start position, and then this would be my start position, which is 9 from here, and then till the length of this complete email address. So that would give me, so if I use substring, so substring would give me the character from, so let's say if I do a substring here, substring, so I'm looking for substring for this one. Okay, and then this would give me, the position. This is the eighth position. From ninth position I need to look at till the length of, till the length of to the length of this email address. So this would give me uh, the email domain, which is gmail.com. So based on email domain, even we will see if we have duplicates in our table. So let's create two new column, which is email domain on both duplicates and this table. Now what I will do is I will just update email domain in a separate column. That's what I have created. So yeah, so this is what would give me just gmail.com email domain. So I will update that in a separate column, and then this would be again my ninth case, which is duplication based on, if we see its full name and email domain. Let's see if we have such cases or not. Okay, so if I look at mm, where my case label is like is 11, and let's take one duplicate key. So this one is pretty much same record but different record ID. So yeah, this is also one way of looking at duplication, just based on email domain and full name. So now I would check duplication based on only domain, which would mean just the Gmail, not the gmail.com, just the Gmail. So let's say if I look at this one, this would give me only the domain, which is Gmail. Yep, just this character. So how I extracted this character only is again by using char index. So firstly I figure out the position of at the rate, and then this is eighth position, and then I figure out this dot position. So if I do a dot here, so this would give me, dot is on third, but I need the dot after Gmail. So I need to specify the position here. So dot is anything after fourth character. If I do, uh, this would give me the position for dot, which is at 14. So to get this 14, what we need to do is just the subtract this char index with dot, uh, which would mean if I choose this one, this would give me something which is 14. So if I run this will give me the 14. What I did is just taken this dot position, and then at the rate position minus at the rate position would give me this 14 position for this email ID. So if I do this, it would give me only Gmail. So let's store this information in new column. So I have again added two new columns. Now I will store that in a separate column. I will update that information first, and now what I would do is I will store that duplication again in a duplicate table. So this is my case 10. So duplication based on only domain and full name. Okay. So this need to convert this to red cat. Okay. So now I will see the last duplication, which is duplication based on email address, which would mean before at character, before this character and full name. So I will extract that first, before at character. So if I let's say if I replace this with it.object at the rate .com. So this would give me anything before the at character. So it.object. So based on that, I will figure out the duplicates. So again, I will add two new column, and then update that in that new column, update that info, and then I will store everything in my duplicates table. Okay, so this is how I have explained everything for all cases. So in this table, if we see, we will have all sort of duplication from case 1 to case 11. So now, even if we look at this table, some records are not duplicate. So we need to figure out a way to say like these records are 100%, like we are 100% sure it's a duplicate. If it is a we are partially sure if that is a duplicate or not. So those sort of analysis I will do on next video to determine the strength of duplicate, whether it is a medium strength or strong strength or a weak strength duplicate. So in that way, the client can see and can be 100% sure like these are the medium type duplicate or strong type duplicate. So that would help them to figure out and eliminate the duplicate based on those parameters. So that thing I will discuss in my next video. So thank you for watching this video, and let me know if there's any questions in comment below, and I would be happy to reply you back. Thank you so much. Bye.